Hey everyone, so I got this Burst Bird car air freshener because my car was smelling completely terrible and I needed like a quick solution, and I found that this Burst Bird air fresh conditioner had a lot of reviews, so I wanted to give it a try. Now to use this is very simple. You just have to open the wooden cup, remove the plastic cap, turn upside down the little bottle, and you're good to go. Now the smell I got is black ice and it smells really good. It's a very fresh and natural smell, and people always compliment my car when they get in because they say, oh, it smells really good, and it's because of this air freshener. So if you want to give a new brand of air fresheners a try, please consider this one.